Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on this video, it's much appreciated. So when putting together this video I did some research and found that 12 million people in the US, according to the CDC, suffer from visual impairment or blindness. So I want to put this video together to show the tools that are available on the Chromebook that can aid with visual impairment and blindness. So let's get started. First one is inverting the colours on the screen. So what we'll do first is go down to the bottom corner of the screen where the battery is, click on that, come up to the settings core, obviously enter settings, into accessibility on the left hand menu here, and then we want to come across to display and magnification, this option here. So in here, right at the top, we've got color inversion, which turns a light screen to a dark screen and a dark screen to a light screen. Pretty much what it says on the tin. So if we switch that option on, you'll see that obviously it's inverted the colors and it makes it easy to read. I actually use this setting myself personally at night. I find it very good, very relaxing for the eyes. There is a keyboard shortcut for this. We can probably see it there, but it is the search key, Control and H. I'll pop it in the left hand corner of the screen for you, and that'll come on there. Another one which you can do, which is a recommendation from my brother who actually has an eye condition, and he recommended this one to me, which is how to enlarge the mouse. So again, in accessibility, we click back there, and then we want to go into cursors and touchpad. And in this option, you select show large mouse cursor. So you click on that one, you can see that the actual mouse is now large, and I'll use this to go back in and change the inversion back. So I'll go back in, display magnification, let's turn that off. You can see I've still got the nice large mouse. So you come back into accessibility, and I'm just going to turn that off. So cursor and touchpad, and switch that mouse function off. So we're back to normal now. So another tip we can actually do is if you're browsing the internet and you want to enlarge that text, make it a bit easier to read, we can do that. So let's do that now. So close down settings, come into Chrome, and we've got just MSN open here in the UK. Obviously you can probably tell, British accent. But what we can actually do is if we use the shortcut Control Shift and plus, that will increase the size of the text, and then we can use the minus key to reduce it back down again, or reduce it down to a level we want. So that's another great tip. The other one we've actually got is actually another settings menu. It's called Chromebook, which I come across. What we can do there is I go back into settings. So let's just close down Chrome, back into settings. Okay, so now back in settings, and click accessibility again, and click text to speech, and then it's this option here at the top, which is Chromebook. And when I switch this on, you'll understand that. So anything I highlight, it will actually speak it back to me, so I'll be able to hear that. So when I turn it on, you're gonna see that now. So let me just switch that back off, so you've got the idea of what it does. And what you can actually do is use the shortcut of Control and Alt and Z, or Z, as I'll switch that back off again, or Z as some of my American friends tell me it's pronounced. So if you actually also want to check out the article on our website, which is Q3 Tech Zone, I'll go there now. You can see that here. Just scroll down for other articles, and this is the one here on how to invert colors on a Chromebook. So you click here, and if you prefer, you can read through the article and check that one out. So thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. site is q3techzone.com. Perfect. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.